Happy day 23 of the 31 Days of Prioritizing Your Sanity challenge this December. Your challenge today, we're going to do our breathing, set our intentions, and then your challenge for today is to create a sense of hygge. Hygge is a Norwegian, Scandinavian word that means basically cozy and warm and all the things that we try and find in the holiday season. Create that sense of coziness, that sense of hygge in your house with some soft lighting. Maybe light some candles, maybe have a fire in your fireplace, all safely, of course, or turn on some twinkle lights. Maybe just turn off some of your lights or put them on a dim setting. Relax and enjoy some low light sparkle, some hygge, some cozy and warmth. Create that space for yourself today, even if it's just for a couple of minutes. Sending you lots of hugs.